Oh. Hi everyone and welcome to Travel World. I'm Emily and today we are showing you the wonderful city of Marseille and what you can do there with your children. Now, you might be wondering, is Marseille really a good place for families? Of course it is. There are sunny beaches, parks full of laughter, and adventures everywhere you turn. If your children love to explore or just want to have fun, Marseille has something special for your family vacation. We will spend the next few chapters exploring the best this charming city has to offer. If this video helps you plan your next vacation or gives you enjoyment, please like and subscribe to the channel. Our first stop is Parc Borély, a big beautiful park with green grass and colourful flower gardens. It is the perfect place to have a picnic, enjoy the fresh air and let the children run around. And speaking of children, the playground at Parc Borély is amazing, with huge swings, super fast slides and climbing frames for even the bravest explorers. And for something a little different, why not rent a paddle boat and go for a relaxing ride on the lake? Imagine the laughs as you navigate the water, with the smell of pine trees and fresh croissants in the air. Parc Borély is a wonderful place for families who want a day of fun and relaxation. Next, we are walking along our second destination, La Corniche, a beautiful road that follows the Mediterranean Sea. With the sun on your face, the smell of the sea, and the most amazing views. This famous road goes on for miles, perfect for walks, bike rides, or just enjoying the view. Children will love watching the waves crash, the sailboats on the water, and the endless horizon. Don't forget to stop and admire the elegant buildings, the cute cafes, and the hidden coves that are just waiting to be explored. La Corniche is a treat for all your senses, where the beauty of nature meets the charm of the Mediterranean. Okay guys, our third spot is the Prado Beaches, with miles of golden sand next to the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. It is enough to make anyone want to take off their shoes and feel the sand between their toes. But it's not just about sunbathing. The Prado Beaches are perfect for families with young children because the water is shallow and calm. Children can splash and play safely, building sandcastles all day long. And for the older ones, there is always swimming or seeing who can build the biggest sandcastle ever. It's the ideal place to enjoy the sun and make unforgettable memories. So pack your buckets, your sunscreen, and your sense of adventure, and get ready for a fantastic time at the Prado Beaches. Now, let's go from the seaside to our fourth place, the heart of Marseille's energy Parc Chanot and the impressive orange Velodrome. These two iconic locations are not just landmarks, but vibrant hubs of activity that offer something for everyone, especially families looking for a day of fun and excitement. Parc Chanot, with its sprawling grounds and large exhibition halls, hosts all sorts of exciting events throughout the year. From interesting exhibitions that will make you curious, to lively festivals that will make you want to dance. There's always something happening. The atmosphere is always buzzing with excitement and joy, making it a perfect spot for family entertainment. And speaking of entertainment, let's not forget the orange Velodrome, a stadium that's always buzzing with the cheers of excited fans. You could be watching a thrilling soccer game, or take in a concert that will have you singing along. The energy is contagious. The stadium is a beacon of excitement, drawing in crowds from all over. So, put on your walking shoes, grab your family, and get ready for a day of discovery and excitement. Whether you're exploring the dynamic events at Parc Chanot or cheering at the orange Velodrome, There's always something to look forward to. Are you ready for an underwater adventure without getting wet? Then let's dive into our fifth spot, the amazing Aquarium of Marseilles. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of the ocean, all under one roof. You are surrounded by shimmering schools of fish, swimming gracefully in clear water. Marvel at the colourful coral reefs full of life and come face to face with fascinating creatures from the deep. But the Aquarium of Marseille is not just about looking. It is about touching and learning too. Children will love touching. Gentle starfish and curious sea cucumbers in the interactive touch pools. The Aquarium of Marseille is a journey of discovery for all ages, where you can learn about protecting our oceans and leave feeling inspired by their beauty. So come on, let's explore this watery wonderland together. Now, have you ever wondered where soap comes from? Not just any soap, but the wonderfully fragrant and colourful Marseille soap. Well, a trip to our sixth place on the list, the Savonnerie Marseillaise soap factory, is the answer. Imagine stepping back in time and seeing how soap is made, the traditional way. The air is filled with history and the most wonderful smells. You will learn all about the natural ingredients used, like olive oil and lavender, and how they are turned into those famous bars of soap. And the best part is, you can even try making your own soap. Just imagine how proud the children will feel taking home a souvenir they made themselves. It is a truly unique experience that everyone will love. Sometimes even on vacation we need to do a little shopping, right ladies? But don't worry, our male viewers. At Les Terrasses du Port, shopping is fun. This lively shopping centre has a great mix of shops and family-friendly activities. Mum and Dad can browse the shops, and then the little ones can have fun in the play area. Imagine swings and slides everywhere, all in a safe place. Now doesn't that sound great? And when everyone's hungry, there are plenty of places to eat. Whether you want a quick snack or a nice meal, there is something for everyone. Les Terrasses du Port is the perfect combination of shopping and play for a great time. Calling all adventurers. Are you ready for a day of thrills and excitement? Then at number 8 is Le Bois des Lutins-Adventure Park, a stunning place to be. This magical park, nestled among the trees, is like stepping into a fairy tale, with challenges and surprises everywhere you turn. Brave explorers can cross wobbly bridges, fly through the air on zip lines, and climb tall walls. It is enough to make anyone's heart race. And for our youngest adventurers, there are special courses designed just for them to help them build confidence and make lasting memories. Le Bois des Lutins is the perfect place to be like Tarzan and enjoy the outdoors. So put on your adventurous spirit, be brave, and get ready for a day of unforgettable fun. Remember, anything is possible with a little imagination and a lot of adventure. Furthermore, now, your children must have wished for a place where you can use your imagination and be creative. A place where your dreams can come to life and you can explore endless possibilities. Well, hidden in the heart of Marseille is our 9th spot, La Friche, la Belle, a vibrant cultural centre full of life, wonder, and endless opportunities for fun and creativity. A place where giant art installations stand next to whimsical playgrounds, where every corner is a new adventure waiting to be discovered. A space where children's laughter mixes harmoniously with the sounds of live music, creating a magical atmosphere. That's La Friche, la Belle, a place where families come together to enjoy art, culture, and each other. Let your little explorers run free in this urban oasis, climb the colourful structures, and let their imaginations soar. They can get lost in a world of art, interacting with street art, and gazing at large, vibrant murals. Check their calendar because La Friche, La Belle de Mai hosts many family-friendly events throughout the year, ensuring there's always something new to experience. From outdoor movies under the stars, where you can enjoy a film in the open air, to exciting workshops that spark the imagination and creativity of young minds, there is always something to capture the hearts of both the young and the young at heart. Head to this cultural haven and create unforgettable memories with your family. At La Friche La Belle de Mai, you will not regret it. Next, for our final destination, we are going on a charming adventure through the streets of Marseille on Le Petit Train, a delightful little train that offers a unique way to explore this beautiful city. It is a delightful ride for everyone, young and old alike. Imagine the wind in your hair as you glide through the streets, the sun on your face, and the city's famous landmarks all around you. Le Petit Train de Marseille is not your average train ride. It's a journey through time and beauty, offering a unique perspective on the city's rich history and vibrant culture, a chance to see the city's historical treasures and lively spirit from a different point of view. As you chug along, let your imagination run wild, picturing the stories behind each building and street, from the busy Vieux Port with its bobbing boats, where the hustle and bustle of daily life is on full display, to the magnificent Notre Dame de la Garde, Basilica on top of the hill. Every turn shows you something new and captivating. And for our little travellers, the excitement is clear. The sound of the train, the passing scenery, and the shared moments of joy create memories that will last a lifetime. The joy on their faces is priceless. Scenic views from a moving train, families sharing joyful moments, and the overall experience make Le Petit Train de Marseille a must-do activity when visiting this enchanting city. And so our magical journey through the enchanting city of Marseille comes to an end. We have explored hidden parks, played on sunny beaches, and discovered a world of marine wonders, from the big green spaces of Parc Borély to the captivating charm of La Friche, La Belle de Mai. Marseille has shown us that it is a fantastic place for families. Remember, the best souvenirs are the memories we make together. We hope this video has inspired you to have your own unforgettable adventure in this captivating city. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our journey, subscribe to Travel World for more travel ideas, and click the notification bell for future videos. Share this video with others looking for vacation ideas. Thank you for watching. Travel World, it's goodbye from me, Emily. See you next time.